Hey there, I'm Harry the seahorse, the ocean's most upright swimmer. Did you know us seahorses are the only creatures where the males carry the babies? That's right. I can give birth to hundreds of tiny seahorses at once. And when it comes to romance, we like to dance with our partners and even change colors to show our affection. Plus, I can move each of my eyes independently. Talk about a good lookout.
Hello, I'm Terry the sea turtle. I've been around for quite some time, you know. My ancestors saw the dinosaurs. We can live up to 100 years or more. And guess what? We navigate across oceans, returning to the very beach where we were born to lay our eggs. Talk about a good memory, huh?
Hey there. I'm Olivia the octopus, the master of disguise. I can change my color and texture in the blink of an eye to blend in with my surroundings. And if I'm in a real pinch, I can shoot ink and make a quick escape. Oh, and did I mention I have 3 hearts? Beat that.
Hi folks, I'm Sammy the Shark. Not all of us are as scary as movies make us out to be. Did you know some of us are quite gentle? And get this, I can sense a tiny drop of blood from miles away with my super sensitive nose. But don't worry, I'm more interested in fish. And I never stop moving up, even when I'm sleeping. How cool is that?
Hello. I'm Patty the penguin. Yes, we birds live in the ocean, but guess what? We can't fly in the air. Instead, we fly underwater with our flippers. And we have a special layer of fat called blubber to keep us warm in icy waters. Plus, when it comes to dinner, we can dive over 250 meters deep to catch our fish. It's a penguin's life for me. Well, my fantastic friends, it looks like our adventure time has come to an end today. But don't you worry, because there are so many more exciting learning waiting for us to explore together. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new, to share a smile, and to sprinkle a little kindness wherever we go. Goodbye for now, my little adventurers. Remember to be kind, be brave, and be happy. We'll see you next time with even more fun and adventures. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.